Hey guys, so it is 2:30 now and we are going out into the market and just see what we can buy if there's anything. This is a dress. I think I wore this on my honeymoon in Mexico, so I'm reusing it. It's a nice dress from Old Navy with these pre-marked sandals. They're so cute. And this little bag that I got for Amazon, which was a steal. I'm wondering if I should wear my sun hat, but I don't think I am. But just wanted to give you guys an update, so catch you guys later. We're back and my battery's dying, but quickly, it is 6:38 and look, I come back to this. My husband surprised me with this. It's so cute. They have cute relaxing music too. Look. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I have no idea what's gonna happen now, but we're back and the night is still young, but we leave tomorrow, so we need to do something. But I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so it is the last day. I know we have to leave at 4. We're in my brother's room because we actually have to check out of our room early. Let me put my sunglasses on. So we actually had to check out of our room early, so we just brought our stuff over for now. And yeah, we leave at 4. It's currently like almost 2 o'clock right now. And we ate breakfast. We woke up really early for a photo shoot, which you probably will see from the drone footage and some other footage. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is our last, not even full day, we're leaving today, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. There's like luggage everywhere because we're all now stuffed in this room, but we are just going to get ready and then we are going to eat one last time and then go. And yeah, I'm gonna be kind of sad. I wish we had like one more full day here, but this resort was good. It was really good. The food was amazing. The staff was amazing. My only issue with this resort was the front desk. They just always gave us problems. So other than that, it was amazing. I highly recommend this one. This one I called is Fiesta Americana in Cancun, Mexico, and I absolutely loved it. But yeah, this will probably be the last clip. If not, you'll see more, but this is probably the last clip of me talking. So thank you so much guys for watching the vlog, and hopefully there's another one soon, a vacation vlog soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!